Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your science teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your science class. My dear students, as you know that we are on chapter number 1, characteristics and life processes of organisms. And today I will deliver its 13th lecture. In today's lecture, we will discuss about the physical characteristics of animals, and we will specifically discuss about one physical character, that is teeth, यानी कि दांत. हमारी जो बॉडी है इसमें बहुत सारे जो हैं वो पार्ट्स हैं, but today we will discuss about teeth and their function. So my dear students, first let's recap what we did in the previous lecture. Listen to the question very carefully, pause the video and then answer it. Quickly look at the pictures and tell that what measures we should take to protect biodiversity. Very good. So now you know that how we can protect biodiversity. So my dear students, now is the time for an activity. Look at the pictures very carefully. So here you can see a frog. So how our teeth help us? So my dear students, कभी आपने सोचा है कि जब आप खाना खाते हैं तो आपके जो दांत हैं ये एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं आपके खाने को चबाने में, उसको छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स में चेंज करने में, ताकि आप उसको आराम से जो है अपने गले से नीचे अपने पेट में ले जाएं. So these teeth help us in chewing the food, gripping the food, tearing the food. So दांतों का काम सिर्फ चबाना नहीं है, इनका काम tearing, holding, gripping, ये सब काम जो है ये दांतों के हैं. Okay, my dear students, in today's lecture, the students will be able to identify major parts, organs and animals. We will discuss about teeth today, and they will also be able to relate the parts, organs of the body of animals to their functions. So आज हम teeth का function पढ़ेंगे, like break down food, teeth break down food. So हम और different body organs के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और उनका क्या function है हम ये भी discuss करेंगे. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. With him, everything is by measure. So my dear students, अल्लाह ताला ने हर चीज़ जो है वो एक हिसाब के साथ जो है वो बनाई है. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for pre-reading question. Quickly listen to the question and then answer. Do all vertebrates have same teeth and their functions? No. All vertebrates do not have same teeth. There are variety of teeth and they perform different functions with their teeth. We will have a look at that. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for reading. So let's open page number 16 in Science 4 books. I hope everybody has opened the page. So let's start the reading. Put your fingers where I will read. Parts of animals and their functions. Almost all vertebrates possess similar body organs performing similar functions, such as teeth, heart, brain, bones, muscles, etc. There is a slight difference in their structure of these organs. These organs have been discussed below. So my dear students, जितने भी vertebrates हैं उनके पास organs तो almost similar होते हैं, but they are different in looking, यानी कि वो देखने में मुख्तलिफ होते हैं और थोड़े बहुत जो है उनके अंदर variations होती हैं, but almost all of them perform the more or less same function. Okay, my dear students, now on page number 16, let's read about teeth. Most vertebrates have teeth. Teeth are hard, bony structures in the mouth cavity. जो दांत हैं ये तकरीबन तमाम वर्टिब्रेट्स के पास होते हैं और ये बोनी पार्ट होते हैं हमारे मुंह के अंदर. The teeth of animals tell us about their eating habits. दांत किस तरह के होते हैं, कैसे जानवरों में किस तरह के पाए जाते हैं, ये हमें उनकी eating habits के बारे में भी बताते हैं. The teeth of fish are mostly small and pointed. मछलियों के दांत pointed होते हैं और बहुत छोटे होते हैं. Such teeth facilitate them in tearing flesh apart. So इस तरह के जो दांत हैं वो उनको flesh यानी कि गोश्त को नोचने में, tear apart, गोश्त को नोचने में मदद करती हैं. Next, frogs have two types of teeth, omerine and maxillary. Both type of teeth of frogs are located on their upper jaw to keep the prey in place, hold on to the prey. So they do not contribute to chewing or tearing because frog swallows their prey as whole. So my dear students, जो frog है, डड्डू जो होता है, मेंढक जो होता है, उसके दो तरह के दांत होते हैं, वोमेराइन एंड मैक्सिलरी. ये जो टीथ होते हैं ये उसके अपर जॉ में, जैसे आपका अपर जॉ है इसके अंदर दांत होते हैं, इसी तरह ये जो दो दांत हैं ये सिर्फ उसके अपर जॉ में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, ऊपर होते हैं, नीचे नहीं होते. और इनका काम प्रे को होल्ड करना होता है, पकड़ना होता है. ये जो भी चीज खाते हैं, किसी इंसेक्ट को पकड़ते हैं या किसी भी चीज को पकड़ते हैं, तो दे होल्ड देम विद देयर टू टाइप ऑफ टीथ्स. क्योंकि ये टेयरिंग में और इनको चबाने में हेल्प नहीं करते, क्योंकि फ्रॉग जो है वो अपने खाने को या अपने फूड को एज अ होल स्वॉलो कर लेते हैं, उसको च्यू नहीं करते, छोटे पार्टिकल्स में डिवाइड नहीं करते. नेक्स्ट इज द टीथ ऑफ एलिगेटर्स आर कॉनिकल, यानी कि इस तरह के होते हैं, कोन फॉर्म में. देयर टीथ सीज एंड होल्ड ऑन टू प्रे एज वेल एज टीयर इट अपार्ट. सो जो एक एलिगेटर होता है उसके दांत कॉनिकल होते हैं, नोकीले होते हैं, और ये होल्ड करते हैं प्रे को, उसके अलावा उसको टीयर भी करते हैं और च्यू करने में भी हेल्प करते हैं. Birds do not have teeth, they have ridges to grip food. इनके पास beaks होती हैं और ridges होती हैं to grip their food. They do not have teeth. Humans have a variety of teeth, flat, conical, pointed, etc. यानी कि जो हमारे मुंह में दांत हैं ये मुख्तलिफ तरह के होते हैं. हमारे एक ही मुंह के अंदर जो है वो मुख्तलिफ टाइप्स ऑफ टीथ होते हैं. They are flat, conical and next is pointed. So these are the different types of teeth that we have in our mouth. और ये हमें क्या करते हैं? They help us in tearing, chewing and grinding the food. Okay. So parts of animals are teeth, bones, lungs, heart, stomach, muscle and brain. Today we are only talking about teeth. Okay, now look at the pictures very carefully. Teeth. Teeth facilities in eating. Teeth formation tells about eating habits of the animals. So जो different animals के teeth की formation होती है वो किस तरह की है, वो हमें उनकी eating habits के बारे में बताती है. Okay, now let's one by one discuss about the teeth. So fish के जो दांत होते हैं ये small और pointed होते हैं. They help the fish to tear the flesh apart. Next come the frog. Frog has two type of teeth, vomerine and maxillary. दोनों जो है ये upper jaw में present होते हैं and they help the frog in holding or gripping the prey and they swallow their prey as a whole, यानी कि अपने खाने को ये साबुत निगल लेते हैं. Next is teeth of alligator are conical and they help the alligator to grip, tear and hold the prey. Birds have ridges. They do not have teeth. Humans have multiple types of teeth like incisors, ये इनके names हैं, canines, molars and premolars. So हमारे मुंह में मुख्तलिफ तरह के teeth हैं जो कि हमें variety of functions perform करने में help करते हैं. Gripping, tearing, chewing and swallowing में हमें ये help करते हैं. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for evaluation. For evaluation, listen to the question very carefully and then answer. What type of teeth found in fishes and what are their function? Small teeth and they help in tearing the flesh. What type of teeth do frogs have and what is their function? Frog have two type of teeth, vomerine and maxillary. They help to hold the prey. What type of teeth alligators have and what are their functions? They have conical type of teeth and they help to hold, grip, tear and chew the prey. Do birds have also teeth? Birds do not have teeth, they have ridges. What are the varieties in human teeth and what are their function? Humans have different types of teeth, conical, flat and pointed, and they help in tearing, gripping and chewing the food. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for practice. For practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video or you can get it in print from BioTeacher. So write down your name and your roll number and then write the correct type of teeth. So what type of teeth do frogs have? Vomerine and maxillary. Small teeth, ridges, conical, and these have variety of teeth. You can write variety of teeth. So my dear students, this is it. You can take help from the book for spellings and if you can find any difficulty in writing the name of the type of teeth. Okay, my dear students, now is the time to note down your homework. For homework, you will do question number 5, only teeth part on page number 24. Enlist the function of the significant parts of So you will do exercise C. Okay, now is the time for wrap up. So for wrap up, today we have learned that teeth are hard bony structures that tell about the eating habits. Teeth of fish are small and pointed, help in tearing flesh. Teeth of frogs are vomerine, maxillary and help in hold onto the prey. Teeth of alligators are conical, help in hold onto the and tearing the prey. Birds have ridges, they do not have teeth. Teeth of humans have variety like flat, conical, pointed. which help in tearing, chewing, and grinding the food. So I hope now you know the functions of types of teeth and how they help different animals in performing the tearing, chewing, and gripping function. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.